In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Careem Plus subscription. So open up the Careem app and then go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. Here you need to then go to Profile in the top right. Once you've clicked on that button, scroll down a little bit and you'll see benefits and you'll see your current subscription. So here you can see Careem Plus. Click on that. It's then going to try and keep you, it's going to give you upsells and some benefits here. But if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see manage membership. You can then click on manage membership. Then it's going to ask you here, what's making you cancel? I'm just going to put here Careem Plus, and then we can click next. Select your reason for canceling. I'm going to put I didn't find enough value. Click next. Then again, it's going to give you all of these benefits. Just go ahead and click cancel subscription. And there you go, you've just cancelled it. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom here, you will see when your plan expires, and next to it, it will say cancelled. So that's how you can cancel it. I hope that video helped you out.